Hey, fellow plant lovers, ever wondered why some plants flourish in your garden while others just flop? Or maybe you've heard the term gardening zone and thought, what in the world is that? Well, today we're demystifying it for you. So what is a gardening zone? Simply put, it's a geographic area defined by its average annual extreme minimum winter temperature. Think of it as a guide that tells you how cold it typically gets in your area during the coldest part of the year. In the US, the most common system is the USDA Plant Hardiness Zone Map, which divides the country into 13 zones, each representing a 10-degree Fahrenheit difference in average minimum winter temperature. Some zones are even split further into A and B for a 5-degree difference. Okay, great, but how do I find my zone? It's super easy. The quickest way is to use your zip code. Just head over to the USDA Plant Hardiness Zone Map website or other gardening sites, type in your zip code, and voila, your zone will pop right up. You can also look at state-specific maps if you prefer. Why does this even matter for my petunias, though? Knowing your gardening zone is absolutely crucial for gardening success. Plants have different tolerances for cold. If you plant something that's only hardy to Zone 8 in a Zone 5 area, it likely won't survive your winter. Your zone helps you choose perennial plants, those that come back year after year, that are best suited to your local climate. It also guides you on when to plant certain crops to maximize your harvest. Basically, it helps prevent costly mistakes and heartbreak. So, whether you're a seasoned green thumb or just starting out, taking a few minutes to find your gardening zone is an investment in your garden's future. It's a key piece of information that empowers you to choose the right plants, plant them at the right time, and enjoy a thriving, beautiful garden. Happy planting! Subscribe for more fun facts.